This video I'm going to take a look at the Thermal Master Thor002 infrared thermal imaging camera that comes with a hard shell case. The quick start guide is very helpful, printed in multiple languages with clear product information and basic operations instructions that makes it easy to get started. It also came with a calibration certificate and a small card with a QR code I could scan to extend my warranty by an additional 3 years, which the listing advertised a 2-year warranty. They provide a really nice USB cable to charge the camera up and transfer files you take with it to your computer, but I had problems getting to charge past 80% when I first got mine. I think it was because it was so cold at the location I was using it at though, because it later charged to 100% when it got warmer out. So first thing I do is hold down the power button at the top left and the camera will initialize and then take me to a setup screen where I select English as my language option. Next I will set the date and time, and then try figuring out all the buttons, starting with turning the light on the front on and off using the button below the power button. Quickly pressing the power button will turn the monitor off but keep the camera on so it doesn't have to initialize again, and then I will press down on the large control pad in the middle to access more options. Next I will push over to the right on the control pad multiple times until the settings option is selected, and then press the middle button on the control pad to show the settings. And from here, I'll press the down button on the control pad until I select unit settings and press the middle button on the control pad to select it. I press the middle button again to select temp unit, and then go down to the Fahrenheit option and press the middle button to change the camera over to show that setting. Then I will just keep pressing the back button located to the right of the control pad at the bottom until I'm out of the settings options. Now I will flip the built-in lens cover over so I can start using the thermal camera, and it will show the temperature at the top of where the dot in the center of the screen is pointing at. So this tool has been really helpful so far, especially since I'm testing a lot of hardware because I'm starting to build solar power and battery bank systems. The trigger on the front is used for taking pictures and videos, so I will press it once and release right away to take a snapshot of the camera view, and the image will pop up on the screen with some options. I can then use the control pad to either save the image, record some audio notes, rename the image, or cancel the save, which is what I end up doing. So these media features should come in pretty handy for people when they're out in the field troubleshooting systems or documenting environmental conditions. And to shoot video, I will just hold down the trigger until I see the timer at the bottom start, which indicates that the camera is currently recording video. Then to stop recording, I'll just squeeze the trigger again, and the video will pop up with some of the same options that it gave for the images I created. So to recap recording video, I just hold the trigger down until I see the timer start and then squeeze the trigger when I'm ready to stop recording video. And this time I want to save the video, so I'll just press the center of the control button and it will store it on the 32GB memory card that came with the camera. Now to access the gallery of media I have saved, I will press the media button at the top right and it will show everything that is stored on the SD card. And from there, I can use the control pad to navigate through the media and hold the middle button down until I see a delete option pop up at the top right, and I can choose to delete gallery items that way. So when I'm done using the camera, I will make sure to close the built-in lens cover and then hold the power button down until I see a shutting down message at the bottom of the screen. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.